I've been on a mission. That's what I tell them every time they ask me why I'm missing. Yeah, when it come to this, it ain't no competition. The pack just touched down, but this time I had to run to get it. Made a couple fumbles, fucked it up, but knew that I'd get it. Took a couple losses, but I knew that that was coming with it. Music keep running with it. Somebody gotta be fucking with it. Plus I can't lose what I ain't got, so I get this shit, everything I got. Can't smoke outside, cause the block too high. Can't sell right now, cause the boys outside. Tryna make it hard for people on social media, but the shit too loud. Ain't talking Luke or the 2 Lot crew. You can get one, that nigga got 2. I hope you got yourself a gun. Or lady say I got the hotline. And she be mad, cause she say it always take time. If I had the power back.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Siege in the lab with D&T. Yeah. As you see, the room looks a little bit different. We got something different for y'all today. So, in my travels, I decided to get me some shoe repellent for my Red Thunder 4s. And then I had the question posed to me: does it actually work when you put shoe repellent on shoes? We're gonna find out. So I pulled out my Cobalt Dunks, put some Rejuvenator on it, which is somewhere around here. Nah, yeah, I think it's in the kitchen. But we also have some ketchup, so we're gonna see if this actually works today.
Slow down, ketchup.
Oh, number.
Oh yeah, before we go ahead and start this, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe button. Make sure you're getting all this stuff as it's coming in, because I think we might be doing some more stuff like this. So yeah, I took both pairs, coated them with 2 layers of Rejuvenator, stain, water repellent. We're gonna see if it actually works. Which one of y'all think I should try, left or the right?
Well, this one definitely smells like sugar repellent. That one smells like stronger sugar repellent than this.
So you think I should put it on this one? Cool. Alright, let's see what we got. I should have brought a napkin in here. Alright, so now we done hit it with our ketchup. We're gonna try wiping it off, see if any stains are actually left on the shoe. Oh, I see a stain.
Oh, I see it too.
Let's let them see. So it's not big stains. However, you can still see some stains from where that ketchup mark was. I mean, you really can only see it on the white though. Yeah. Which I guess that's good, but
that makes most sense.
It does make no sense.
It's been a long day for us, y'all. It's been a long Tuesday for all of us.
Oh crap, I just put more ketchup on.
Wow. Repel! Repel!
Nope, it didn't repel that. So, do you think it worked?
Well, see, that one didn't have a lot on it. That shoe didn't have a lot on it.
It didn't have a lot of shoe repellent on
Now
it.
you should do this one.
Why would I do both, T?
Because this one has more on it, this one has less.
Yeah, but then I had nothing to compare to.
Do you be like,
You've already compared
the list? Yeah. So now you be like, oh.
So why would I do another one if I've already compared?
Because this one had more shoe repellent on it, and this one has less. And so instead of, now you're comparing on, okay, yeah, you shoe repellent. I didn't put a lot on this one.
But I put a lot
on this one. So let's see how it repels off of this one. Now that I put a lot on
more.
it.
That doesn't make sense.
YouTube. Does it make sense?
No.
It do.
I've already did it on one. Why would I do it on both and then I have nothing to compare to?
You put shoe repellent on this one too.
But you put more on this one and less on that one.
No, actually I put the same amount on both of them.
This one smells stronger.
It might feel strong. I put 2 layers on each one.
And then you try to fuck up another shoe.
Why would I?
To see if the shoe repellent repels.
That's what we did this for.
So,
You're trying to trick me into doing the other one. No.
so we have it as shoe repellent does not, well, I think it also depends on the brand too.
So you think I should try a different brand?
I don't know how brand of shoe repellents work. I feel like shoe repellent is just shoe repellent, but I might be wrong.
I'm talking about a shoe.
No, I'm talking about shoe repellent. Don't put on another shoe.
Oh.
Don't put it on another shoe.
I didn't play those.
Cause you would've, ooh boy, if you would've used one.
No, I'm not. That's why they're on the wall now. Alright, so I think we're successful. It repels enough.
Yeah, cause you could like do the ketchup with like toothbrush with your
Yeah, I mean I can still like, you know, clean it to where you can't tell anything, but
Put some detergent in a toothbrush and get the scrubbing.
I'll use that Jason Mark. Alright, so that's all we got for today. Y'all got anything?
No.
No. No.
I'm about to go home and slobber.
Okay. Well, y'all take it easy. Make sure y'all like, subscribe if y'all haven't already.
Like and subscribe. And comment down below if you feel like he should have did the other shoe.
We're not doing another shoe.
Still comment it.
And what are we in?
The shoe stew.
Stew.